Travel leaves you speechless and then turn you into a storyteller. Hello travelers, how are you? Today in this video we are going to talk about Japan, one of the most beautiful Asian country. I love Japan. It's a fascinating country with a unique culture and a society that you really can't compare to other countries in the world. Let's explore more facts about Japan. Let's start the fact about Japan. Fact number 1. Japan has one of the world's lowest crime rates. Japan is one of the safe country in the world. So if you worry about crime, you should probably look into moving there. The most common crime here including stealing a bicycle or umbrella left outside the convenience store. At the metro and train, you can see locals who take a nap while having their phone in their hand or clearly visible. It's also not uncommon to see people walking with their backpacks and bags open. Another thing, people don't even lock their homes all the time or their bicycle. That's how safe it is in Japan. Fact number 2. There are more seniors than kids. A pretty sad fact about Japan because it's actually a big problem and there's a lack of childbirth. The people don't have time or money to have a family in today's Japan society, and this has led to the situation where there are more seniors than children. And did you know that they actually see more adults diapers than the kid diapers? I don't know about you, but to me that's one of the most bizarre fact about Japan. The Japanese island of Okinawa has one of the world's longest lifespan, and currently the oldest women in the world are two Japanese people at 117 and 116 years old. Fact number 3. Highest number of bathing machines in the world. One of the things you will notice while traveling to Japan is that huge amount of vending machines. There are literally everywhere around every corner, and they are definitely part of the modern Japanese culture. A lot of restaurants has started to implement vending machines as well to let people order food, but they also a good and convenient way for companies to sell beverages and make money without paying staff. In the big cities, you can find both hot and cold coffee in the vending machines along with the various other types of drinks including water on a bottle. There are also plenty of vending machines selling snacks and food directly in the cities. Fact number 4. Japan consists of 6,852 islands. You might know that Japan is an island nation, but did you know that there are more than 6,800 islands in Japan? The four biggest islands are Onsulu, Hokinhoko, Konsunu, and Shikoku, which together make up about 97% of total land area. And don't forget about the paradise island of Okinawa with the beautiful beaches and tropical climate. In fact, the main island of Japan are also some of the world's largest island. Fact number 5. To clean is a part of the education in many schools. Law and order is a big thing in Japan. I'm not talking about the TV series, and it's important to learn this already as a child. That's why a lot of Japanese schools are making their students clean toilets, classroom, and the school areas. There, this also saves money because the schools won't need as many cleaners. Imagine if this was the case in your country. I can only speak for Swedish school, but it would be an outcry to say the least. That's why I think this is one of the more interesting fact about Japan. Fact number 6. Japan has a Penis festival. The Japanese festival is known as the Karmana Matsuri, which means something like the Festival of the Peninsula of Steel. The festival is celebrated in the Japanese city of Kansuka and the first Sunday in April. In short, just about everything including candy, vegetables and decorations have the shape of the male reproductive organ or the other things related to fertility. Fact number 7, more than 1500 earthquakes a year. The number will vary from year to year, but in general there will be more than 1500 earthquakes in Japan. Luckily most of them are smaller shakes, but each year there are bigger earthquakes as well as reaches more than 8 on the Richter scales. Fact number 8, taking a power nap at work gets more and more common. Japanese people are working more than any other country in the world, and the working days are long. Since a couple of years back, some employers are letting their employee take a power nap at work, recharge and get more energy. It's pretty interesting, and overall I would say that the power naps are very common in Japan, and you will constantly see people taking power naps on trains. Fact number 9, fruit is one of the best gifts. Although fruit in general is getting cheaper to buy in Japan, the tradition from the past lives on back in the days, it was really expensive to buy fruits because only a handful of fruits grows naturally in Japan. It is still expensive compared to many other countries, and it's still regarded as a great gift when meeting someone special. One of the unique fruit that can be found in Japan is the square watermelon. Fact number 10, more than 3000 McDonald's restaurants. Only the US has more McDonald's restaurants in the world than Japan. Despite that, it's very rare to see obsessed people when walking around the city. The turkey burger is one of the unique items that can be ordered from the menu in Japan McDonald's restaurant. Fact number 11, to sulfur up the noodles is considered polite. If you go to the noodle restaurant in Japan, don't be afraid to sulfur up the noodles. On the contrary, this is considered polite. According to Japanese customers, it's polite to sulfur up the noodles since it shows the cooks that you appreciate the food, and the same thing, it enhances the flavor. With that fact, that's it for today guys. But if you love traveling, and if you want to know other countries detailed fact, and if you want to explore other countries, then subscribe to this channel and like and share Travel with Ninja videos. That's it for now. Catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.